Good morning.
Now 11, let's go with, I forgot the name. What? Marlin. Read Marlin, please. Let's see what happened with the railroad.
A railroad has
All right, Mr. J.
for a mile across a field. No other track connects with it during this time. The track is now parallel or
Perpendicular.
perpendicular or
Second line. So what is the track there of the train? How do you mean? It is parallel. Now parallel, when you see the word parallel, see the that's the example. The 2L going like that. So that's true. It's like that. Now let's go for the last one. Okay, number 12. Which letter has no parallel line? And the answer is. You got me this? You have a lot of beautiful things you have. Yeah, I come back now. We can take a cup for Mark. Answer? Thank you. You are very kind. Now, those are the things we have seen. We have finished, but you have it already. Now, letter D. Why is letter D? They intersect. And parallel, they're not supposed to intersect. For example, here, we have F, we have parallel. Here we have parallel. Here we have parallel. And here, they say no parallel lines. So here, immediately the letter B, they are intersecting. So there is no parallel lines. So the answer is letter D. Okay, very good. Now let me get the
wizard.
The last exercise. We were working here, remember? But let me see the students that don't have
They
a
gonna
copy
make
of
it.
this.
Which letter has no parallel
So we
line?
can, remember, we are going to review a little this, just some of them, not all of them. And then, I mean the second part, like number 2, and number 4, and the other that are here, okay. But, get the copy for my students. So,
Let me,
who was not here on Friday? You were not here.
Was
I did the other, you were here. I gave one already to this lady. So, let me get this one right here. That's it. And an extra.
That's what
Now,
I'm
this is
saying.
for you.
Like,
We finished some of the exercise already. And Musa was here. And Kevin was here. You were here. Everybody was here. You got one there. Now, let's go for the second one. Okay, we're gonna do some of them, not all of them. Vamos. You can do it.
I love that
Okay.
shit. Like,
Yeah. There you are.
it's always gonna be somebody.
There you are. Now let's do number 2, okay? Now you have the paper there. I'm not going to show you that part because you already have it there. So let's graph it, and that's it. Let me try to keep this as bigger as I can.
Oh, what?
There you are. Now let's do it really quickly. Now, I'm going to plot.
This
That's,
is
you
math.
can do it together with me. If you have
I was
fun,
just reading it.
no problem, okay? Now, letter A. What is letter A? The first, what are 7, 10. Now, what do you do when you plot? Remember, you go first with the X. If the number is positive, you move to the right. Now, in this case, for letter A, for point A, I move how many in the X-axis? 7, right?
Where is this at?
So I stop right here, okay? I stop right here, the 7. And then, how many I go up? 10. So, the point A is going to be here, located here, okay?
What number you doing? What's this?
We're doing the second exercise, is number 2. We are plotting here, okay? So, you see? 7, and then 10. Okay, so the point A is there. Remember, all the time move first in the X-axis, okay? Now, let's go for letter B. Letter B, what is the first? What is the first? The first number, what is? 0. Now, what do you do when it's 0? You don't move, you stay there.
Okay.
And how many I move up? 4. So, point B is here, right? Point B is here.
Point.
Okay.
But like when you do it, you have to do that line.
No, you don't have
I
to do
think
that.
so.
If you want, you do it, but I don't think it's necessary. You do it with your finger or imaginary. Some students, they do it to understand what it is, but that's okay. You can do it the way you like. Now, let's see letter C. Letter C, what is the first number? -1. What happens when the number is negative? You move to the left. So right here, right? 1 point. And the next number, what is?
10.
10. So I end up here. Right? Now, what is letter?
No, it's pretty good. It's pretty
C.
good.
Got it. Now letter D, what is the first number?
Negative.
What is? Negative 6. Okay, I stop right here. And the other number, what is? Negative 6. What happened when I got negative 6 in the y-axis? I go down. So I go down and I go right here. And the point is here. So this is point what? Point D. Okay, got it. Point D. Now the last one is for me.
That's
Letter
right.
E.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Letter E, what is the first
Look at
number?
this.
10. Okay, 10. And the other number, what is?
No, don't go there.
What is the meaning of 0 here? Can I move up and down? No, you stay there. So this is the point E. Very
Make
good.
it count.
Okay. Now one student come here
Say the same.
and put the letter F on the board. One student.
I
Anybody?
got that in my mind already.
It's 97, positive number. So come right here and plot the number there. 97.
9, 7.
One volunteer. Go. Go, go. You plot it. You plot it and put the letter there. Okay. So if you want, bring your paper and you can do it quickly.
Press the like button, y'all. Everybody's pay attention. Let's go.
God bless you.
Bless you, bless you. Negative to the left,
Write the letter.
positive to the right.
Uh-huh.
I should show you my
Now it's correct?
transcripts.
Aisha plotting? Yes. Another student for letter G. Letter G. -3, -4. You just put it there. Write the letter. Where's my hand? Go. Wanna go? Go.
Put it like this. My shit is all messed up.
Letter G. -3, -4. -3.
I don't have that thing.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, I know. It's a little small. Letter H. -4, -9. Flooding. -4, -9. Almost up. Flooding. Show them you are an architect. Yeah, -4, -9. -4, -9. 4. -4 first. Yep.
Alright, it's gonna be good now.
Yeah, man. Put the letter there. H.
That's right.
Thank you. Now, letter I. 4, 1. +4, +1. 4, 1. Go.
Positive 4, positive 1.
4, 1. 4, 1. 4, 1. 4, 1.
Positive 4,
-4.
positive 1.
Very good. And the last one, J, Mr. J. Mr. J. 7, -9. 7, -9. One student, please. Six. Come, Rosani. Rosani, come. Rosani. Venga, lo hacemos juntos, ven. Ven, yo te guío, de aquí ven. Ven, que está fácil, muchacha. Oye. Enséñale a Aisha ahí. Show her, Aisha. Vamos, Diana. Go, Diana. Letter J. -7, -5.
Oh, that's all the way on the other side.
Oh, sorry.
-7, -5.
-9, you mean?
No. Yeah, -7. No, 7. Sorry. Go back. 7, -9. Because I was looking at another page.
Erase this for me?
Yeah, with your fist. With your fist. A. Now,
Which one is it again?
7, -9. 7, -9. Yeah, man.
And which letter is it?
J. Mr. J. We got it. It's kind of weird. Yeah. Here we go. Now we did that one. Now you know how to plot. No problem. Now we're gonna do the opposite now. Let's go to number 4 in the other page. Number 4, we are going to write the pairs. That's it. Okay? So let me get that for you. And there you are. Now let me put all the letters next to it
It's
so
called
we can write.
infinity geometry.
Yep.
That's what it's called, y'all. Infinity geometry.
And here you are. Now let's put the letter A. Wait a minute, I need to put it on. A, B, C, D,
Oh yeah,
F, G,
all the way to J.
H, I, J. That's it. And I'm going to put the thing right here, okay? So I'm gonna do some of them. Later you help me here, okay? So, letter A. What is?
Letter A. It's no A.
I'm in the right exercise?
Yes,
no.
you are.
I think I'm in the, where am I? Yeah. Yeah, give me a second. I'm in the wrong page. Give me a second. He's here. There you are, it's number 4. The problem is that, okay.
Send that over, J-Red Corn. Yeah.
Okay, I think it's good then.
We about to use that in the
Well,
class.
line that I don't see. Now let me
That
come back.
calculator is like $15.
Page, okay, exercise 4, this is the one. So again,
We start from
which letter we
E.
have right here?
We gonna
K.
I,
No, but
F.
Let me
I
start
mean
with,
E.
Let me start with the
E.
with E, right? E, F. What else? F,
G, M,
G, H,
I, J, K, L, M,
no,
N,
N,
M.
N.
M, and N.
Okay, M and M. Now let's do the first one. Letter E. What is letter E? Okay.
5,
5, negative 9.
negative 9.
-5.
Negative.
I mean, +5, -9.
Good.
Okay.
And then
Now
F
let's see the F.
is 5,
And what is the F?
5, -4.
Okay, let's see.
That's right.
Letter F.
5,
5,
-4. That's what we do.
5, negative 4. Okay.
That's what I'm saying, Hawk.
Another one for me.
G.
G. What is G?
10,
10.
4.
Okay. 10,
4.
10, and 4. So
Mm-hmm.
10, 4.
Mm-hmm.
And letter H. What is?
Is that a 0?
0, 0.
Oh, okay.
0, 0. What is the name of that verb? What is the name?
Huh?
They can ask you that question in mathematics. What is the name of that verb?
Oh, snap.
The name is the origin.
The origin.
Okay, origin.
The
Because
origin.
from there is where you will start moving. Okay. So 0, 0. Remember, X didn't move, Y didn't move. They stayed
Mm-hmm.
there in the intersection. Okay.
That's right.
Now letter I. What is?
3, 4.
3, 4.
I
So
is
letter I right here.
3,
3,
4.
3, 4.
J is
Now let's see. Valerie, letter J, what is?
-3, -10. That's what I got.
Then do that one.
Okay, do it. And I wait for you. Check it out. Letter J. Ah, you don't have the paper.
No.
Ah, that's why you don't have the paper.
-3,
I
-10.
You have the paper. You didn't bring
Origin.
it?
I didn't have it.
You didn't have it? You were not here the class?
Let's go. Turn it down.
No. I saw you were here. I saw you were here. Oh, give me a second.
Lord pizza, my
Let me give you a
son.
copy.
King.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to another
This is
person, but I'm gonna ask you
right
later,
here.
okay? So try to get the check, and then you write it right here. You
We
can
gotta
write it
call
like
up
I'm
the
doing,
Julie today,
okay?
like, yo, what's up?
Now let me ask letter J. Letter J. Kevin, letter J, what is the verb?
-3, -10. That's what I
Negative
got.
10.
That's
Okay. Let's see, letter J.
-3.
Negative 10?
Yeah, it's at the bottom, right there, next to N.
Yeah, well, you say negative 10 first. Negative 10?
In the y-axis.
Okay, so let's start with the X. The X, what is?
Negative 3.
Negative 3?
Negative 10.
Negative 10. All the time you start here. Okay,
Let's go.
that's the first rule.
That's
So negative,
Okay.
3,
We try
Negative?
nothing but hit
10.
brackets.
Got it.
Wait, why don't you never start with the y-axis?
Because that's the rule.
That's the cop.
That's the rule. The rule is this.
Go to college.
The rule is this. X,
Doctrine.
Y. You never change, okay?
Stay in school.
If you break the rule, it's going to give you wrong. Remember, they need to have the same standard because they're talking about location. That's what they use for the GPS. GPS, work with that. Okay. Now, another letter, another student. Let's see your first name. Letter K. Letter K. Check it out right here. Letter K. You go right here. Mira, muévete para allá. ¿Cuántos puntos? ¿Mm?
El 8.
No, no llega el 8, se quedó entre el 6 y el 8.
Thank you.
Mira, aquí. Negative,
I swear to God.
negative,
Smoking
7.
on campus.
And then, that's negative 7, 2. 2 means going up, okay? Valerie, letter L.
I'm gonna be selling the Zod to the
Letter L.
professor. 'Cause he gonna smell it. What letter we on?
Wait a minute.
Oh.
I got more. But let me see if Valerie give me number, letter L.
Number 5?
God bless
No, letter L.
Oh, in the ground?
Yeah, it's here. Let me show you.
you. Oh yeah, letter L.
Here, yeah.
A C D F G H I J
Letter
K
L. You.
K L
Then tell me
M
what are the
N.
numbers?
K. What the fuck was
Move to
K?
the left. And then
K
move down.
was positive 2, positive 10. L is negative 7, negative 7, negative.
Mhm.
Is it negative
what is
7?
it?
Negative 7, negative 7?
So Valerie, you go like that.
7? And then
Yeah,
what?
negative 7 because you move to the
Negative 7.
left, negative, and negative going down too. So at the end you have negative 7, negative 7. That's the point.
I told you.
L.
I know it's
Okay. Jeremy, you say letter M?
M.
M.
I got 2, 10.
Is correct to 10?
No.
No.
10.
Like positive 2, positive 10.
Yeah, but you move up first. The first rule is,
To go.
remember, what letter is here first? The X. So you move in the X axis first, okay? So, in this case, you say, Jeremy?
10.
10, comma?
10.
No, because there, you only go 2.
Oh yeah, 2. Sorry.
Yeah. So all the time, look.
So start with 10.
Hey,
Start with 10
hey.
going up, right?
You went like that, yeah?
Go up.
Up,
10.
Okay? And the last
Okay.
one,
I got
letter
most. I got most.
N. Letter N. What is letter N? Negative 3? Negative 8.
Negative 2, negative.
So negative 3.
Negative 3, negative.
Negative 8.
How would it come
Now
back
there
to
you have
that?
the first, remember, the first, and here you have
Pairs.
the points. Now, usually the question is, in which pair is the point? Later, I'm gonna give you a little practice where you are going to locate the church, the bakery, with this. Okay, with this. That's it. But first, let's check the
I might
let's
have to
check
get a red and
the
meth knockoff.
quadrants, okay? So quadrants.
Yeah. I would do that shit without it. Like, they
Now,
probably
you
have-
tell me, this one, letter E, is in which
I'm gonna
quadrant?
do all these movies over.
Four.
Shit, like, just
Quadrant?
take every movie.
Four. Now, how do you know? Remember,
Every movie.
quadrant 1,
Just do it all.
quadrant 2,
Or some Zod shit.
quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. That's it. All the time it's moving like that, okay? That's the way you go. 1. So it's backward to the clock, you see.
Oh, backwards clock.
Opposite, yeah. Immediately you can locate. When I ask you all the point, you check in which quadrant it is. Anyhow, sometimes they don't give you the graphic. Sometimes you have to imagine. So, how do you imagine? Here, what is? The x is
That's
positive,
funny.
and the y is positive. Positive, positive. And here they are negative, negative.
That's why
Now,
we
what
have
is
to
right
do
here? The x is
In the
negative, and the y is
positive.
Now, this is the opposite of that one. Remember, these two are opposite. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Here, if the first is negative, here is going to be positive, negative. Sometimes you have to remember that because when they give you the question, they don't give you the graph. So you have to remember. Oh, in the quadrant 1 is positive, positive. Oh, in the quadrant 3 is negative, negative. 50% you already know. Now, this one you only have to remember that when you move to the x here, so the x is negative, and then the y is positive. Try to remember that. It's not that difficult. You have to remember. For example, right here,
Positive, positive,
negative, what is?
negative, positive.
Positive, negative.
4.
The quadrant number 4. And you see the letter there. You can see visually. Now, positive, positive. 1. Now here, when you see that, it's nowhere. No, it's not in any quadrant. It's not in the first, no.
Nothing.
Anywhere.
The
I'm
origin.
sorry. Now, positive, positive.
Oh, you
The first one. Negative, negative.
3.
3
3. Negative, positive.
through 2,
2.
The second, right? Negative, negative.
3.
Yeah, you can put it up. And then here, positive, positive.
1.
1, negative, negative. 3. Now, another one that usually they do is this one. Check it out. Where is this point located? Where is this point located?
That is
Give me the per. Let's
5.
say this point is the point A, the point, for example, O or P. The point P. What is the point P here? Give me the thing.
0. 7.
0,
7.
0,
7.
7. Now, in which quadrant is 0, 7?
1.
No, in any quadrant. Any quadrant.
0.
0, 7 is in the
It's 1.
here. Is in the y axis. That's the answer. It's in the y axis. You see? This is the axis. It's there. Now the other one. The point R. Right here. Point R. What is point R? The point R, what is?
0. 9.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah.
9.
Is 0 first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, but here then there is a problem here. Let me see. When I move here. Sorry. Then it's not 0, 7. It's 7, 0. Sorry. 7. Yeah, I'm confused. 7, 0. That one is 7 to the right, 0 movement to the up and down. Now this one is, what is? 0, 9. Now, 0, 9 there is in which quadrant? Any quadrant. But in which axis is the point? Is in the y-axis. So, if the answer, if they give you ABCD and they give you this, you know it's here, okay? So write it down there because that's a tricky one that the students usually don't understand. There is 3 points where there is no quadrant. Here, when they are in the line, and when they are on this line too. Here they are in any quadrant at all.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
How would you know that it's like that?
What?
Like, 0, 7 going to 0.
Yeah.
You could put it as 0 going to 7 as well.
No. Remember, the first movement, what is? What is the first movement according to the per? The rule is that X first, Y later. You cannot violate that rule. Never. Because
X first, Y later.
Done.
if you're ready,
If the dots are already done, and then you have to do it the way that you did it, whereas the points and the pairs.
I don't get it. Come here and do something because I don't get it.
Don't forget it.
No, don't forget it now because that's a question. It's important.
No, because I can't show it to you. It's like, you see how we just figured out the E and the F?
Yeah.
And we did 5 with -9?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what if we have to do E and it's 7 with 0, but
Okay.
somebody ends up
You mean if they
0
give you
with
if they give you this first?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. How would you
No.
know that it?
For example, if I say 0, -5, where do I put that one? What is the 0 telling you?
That's X.
Down.
Don't move to the side. And then what are you going to move? Remember, here don't move. And then -5.
Down.
So the point is going to be
So change the -5 into
Here.
a positive. So
okay, here, let's say that point is T. You put it right here. You see? You follow the rule. You say, oh, the X is telling me not to move. You don't move. You stay there. And the number, and the Y is telling me to go down 5 points. So you move 5 points, and that's it. Okay, now let's do one another, with another one. Let's say, for example, -8 and 0. Now, what is that coordinate telling you? -8 and 0. What is telling you?
Down.
-8.
Start down.
What is -8? Move to the.
Left.
So the X, you're going to move 8 points. So right here. And the next number, what is telling you? Stay
Positive
there.
0.
So that letter, let's say it's letter S, is gonna be right here. Okay? Got it now? That's the way you plot it, okay? And I think we did it before with it, but you see, now it's better to clarification. Now, let's go to the other one. It's state the quadrant or axis that each point lies in. Usually, typically it's like that. They don't give you a graph. You just have to do it from here. So let's do number 5, and later you give me the answer for the other, okay? So, there you are. There. What a mess. Now, there you go. Now, let's see. Let's say state a quadrant or axis that each point lies in. So, let's do it. Now, negative, positive is in which quadrant? Negative, positive. In the quadrant? 2. Very good. Negative, negative?
3.
Ah. Positive, positive?
1.
1. You see? Not difficult. Now for the other, I'm going to ask the student. Okay, so let me start with Diana. Diana, what quadrant is this? Negative, positive?
It's 2.
Yeah, the second. Right. Cecilia, 1, 0. 1, 0 is in which quadrant?
Positive,
Oh.
right?
Or in which axis? Remember, if you see a 0, it's not in any quadrant.
No.
It's in an axis. So, Cecilia, in which axis is letter U? No, hey, it's easy. You only have to say X and Y. What letter has the number?
Yes and right.
The X. So it's in the X axis. You see, that's the only one. You move 1 in the X. Okay. Now, Musa,
Yes.
here.
Two.
Negative, positive. Second.
Yes, yes,
The second. Okay. Continue. Rosani, positive, negative. Check the graph there. Positive, negative. With your hand, you can do it like that.
Positive and
Positive, negative. Positive, negative.
7 negative.
Mhm. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Another student?
Four.
4. Yeah, you can do it with your hand. You go like, okay. Now, Aisha, positive, positive.
One.
Number 1. Jeremy, negative, positive.
Negative, positive, is it 2?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Negative, positive.
Hey, you can see it with the other there.
Negative, positive.
Okay, Kevin, 70, what is? In which axis? 70.
Oh, yes.
In which axis? In X or in Y?
X.
Oh,
X, yeah, X, Y, X axis. Now, Amelia, positive, negative.
Positive, negative,
tapándole, no lo vea.
el 2, no, espérate. 4.
4, yeah. And the last one, Barney.
Positive,
X
negative,
axis. Yeah, remember, if you want to see a Y axis,
negative,
then you gotta be like
positive,
0,
2.
3. Then you say, okay, no, the one participating is that, okay? So this one is
Negative,
Y
positive, is 2.
axis. Remember, axis is
That's the
another name
trickiest one.
for the line.
Negative,
That's it.
positive.
Okay? Keep that in mind. Here is Y, here is X. Okay? And what is the name of here? 0, 0? What is the name? The origin. Okay. Now we're done with that part because the other thing I'm not gonna do that. Because when they
Positive
left
and
out the
positive
question,
is 1.
that's not good because usually in the test you have
Negative
A, B, C,
and
D.
positive is
We're not gonna
2.
do that. Okay. Now that you have
Negative
that,
and negative is 3.
let me see the time because I need to check.
Positive and negative is 4.
Okay.
Just
Oh,
remember
yes, 11.
negative and positive
Mm.
is 2.
Now, let's start a little review for this. I mean, not for this, for everything.
Sir David.
So, yeah, we have to we
Like,
have to
subscribe, share, comment,
get over
turn up.
all the topics. And now, but let's see how I'm gonna be covering them. Not maybe in the same order,
Grind.
but we try, okay? Remember,
You don't grind, you don't
they say
eat.
next week is the midterm, okay? For reading and for math. But
Hear that?
we have to work more with math because math is usually writing. You don't have that same
Math,
problem.
math.
So let me come back right here to this.
Shout out to everybody in the world doing schoolwork.
And now
GED.
let me check. Today's May what? May 18 is today. There you are. Now let me give you a little practice. We're gonna do it on the board, okay?
like the mind twister.
Let's see. There you are. Now we are going to work with basic stuff, okay?
Press the like button.
Okay. Let me see. How can I get this big? That's it. Okay, remember, when they give you this, they usually in tape and sometime in GED, they don't let you use the calculator for that, okay? When there is something easy like that. So let's do it manually to see what we can do. Minus 867, okay? Now, usually GED has a part, the first part, they don't let you use the calculator. They let you use the calculator later. So when there's something like that, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, you're supposed to do it in a piece of paper or something, and then you provide the answer. Okay. So let's do it because that's something you are going to face. Now, what is the rule here? Okay? Remember, when the number on the top is small, what do? Yeah, you take from the number.
You borrow.
Okay, yeah, you borrow. Very good. So here, say 2 minus 7, that's not possible. Because if, you see, I cannot,
Subtract.
I cannot take, if one person have 2 apples, I cannot take 7 apples from it because you only have 2. You need to have more, right? That's the logic. So what do you do in this case? You say, hey, number 5, remember, like Jeremy say, borrow, okay, borrow. Okay, give me, say, oh, can you lend me? Oh, remember the other verb is this, lend, okay? Say, number 5, can you lend me 1? And then, immediately the number 2 becomes 12. And the number 5 becomes? No, 4, because you are giving 1. So, I say, 12 minus 7, what is?
5.
5. You put the number 5 there. Now, can I say 4 minus 6?
No.
No. So again, then number 4 is going to ask, let's say, hey, number 4, can you lend me 1? Oh yeah. Then it becomes 3, and this becomes 14. Now you say, 14 minus 6?
8.
8. 8. And then, 3 minus 8 is possible?
5.
No.
No. Then you say, number 1, please. Okay. Number 1 becomes 0. And number 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8?
5.
5. And then the 0, that's 0. You leave it there. Now, what is the answer?
D.
Letter D. Okay? So letter D is the answer. Now, even though this looks basic, when you are in the test and you don't have a calculator, you have to do it by yourself. That's the problem. Okay. Hey,
Borrow.
let me tell you. Oh,
You gotta borrow.
When I touch the mouse, I click the incorrect one now. But that's okay. You got it. Now letter D is the answer. Now if you want, take picture, write it, check the way you have to do it. If you have problem with that, write it there, you practice, go step by step. Okay, but that's really useful. Even though it looks simple, but in the moment, if you don't know how to do it. Put this right here before I give you the next one. Okay, the next one is for
Where-
one student, so let
Where
me
are you
ask.
doing this?
Eh?
Like, are you like on Google or something? Where are you doing this?
Yeah, I'm gonna send you the link later, but well, I prefer that we do it here now, okay? One by one, so we can practice. Because most of the time, the students, when I send out, they do it too quickly, and they don't pay attention to the steps, okay? Let's go to, okay, number 2 is for, okay, Diana. Number 2, ready?
Number 2, let's go. No.
No, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change you for Rosani. Rosani, ready? Ready? Say yes. Okay, Rosani, this is for you. Read it, Rosani. An angle measures. Yeah, read it. An angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Remember, degrees. What type of angle is it? Go, Rosani, read it again. No, ni tan chiquito, eso está grandísimo.
No, ahí solo.
Ah, bueno, dale.
Angle de.
Ana, remember, Ana. Ana.
The
An angle.
next,
Repeat. An angle.
An angle. The
Measure.
actually 90
Degrees.
degrees. What type for the angle is this?
Yeah, what time? Remember, angle.
90
Okay.
degrees is a cube, right? How Mexican.
A, B, C, D.
Así.
Letter C. Is acute? No.
No.
What is
Oh,
acute?
right angle.
Less
is
than 90,
90
right?
degrees.
Okay. So it's not C. What is?
A.
A. Don't forget.
Remember?
Every time you listen
Right
to that,
angle.
remember the
90
thing
degrees.
here, there. Hey, remember the here. That's 90,
Let's
okay?
go.
And the book also here, 90. You see, this is like the perfect angle for the architect. Okay. So we say letter A. Yeah, a right angle is defined specifically as an angle measuring exactly 90 degrees. Yes. Okay. Now let me go to question number 3. And this one is for Valerie. Valerie, read the question, please.
Sarah.
Sarah has 120. She spends 45 on a book, and then she splits the remaining money equal among 5 friends. How much did each friend receive?
Oh, you see, that's a word problem. What is the meaning of that? We have more than one operation, okay? Sometimes we have addition,
Yeah,
subtraction, or
$120.
addition, division, but we are going to have 2 operations, okay?
$45.
So Valerie, let's do it together.
Then split the remaining money.
Now, they say Sarah, so at the beginning Sarah has
So
120 bucks, right? And she spent 45, okay, on a book. And then she split, she divide the remaining, remember,
so
divide
it'll be $75
of the money
divided by
into 5 friends.
5.
What is it? D. Let's check. What is the first operation you are going to do?
Subtract.
Subtraction. You say 100, 120 minus.
So it's 15, y'all. It's
45.
15. Look.
Now here, remember, you don't have calculator, okay? So you have to do it. 0 minus 5 is possible? So what do you say? Give me 1, I got 10. 10 minus 5, what is? Now, 1 minus 4 is possible? No. So 11 minus 4 is
7.
7. So we have 75, right?
75,
The answer
right?
cannot be 75.
Now,
Because still, we have the second operation. The first one
she got to
is
take that 75,
subtraction. What is the second operation?
divide
Divide. Then we are going to divide it.
5 into
Divided
7.
by 5.
5.
So, if you say 75 divided by 5, what is?
15.
Remember, you don't have a calculator. Let's do it without calculator.
5 times.
Let's do it like this. Remember, I do it like that. I know in
Oh,
English.
wait.
In American
Okay.
school, you do it in another place. But let me do it like that. Now, 5 can go into 7
1 time.
one time. So we say 1. And what is the remainder? When I say 7 minus 5?
2.
2. Now, what I do with the number 5?
Bring it
Break it
down.
down. Now here, remember I got that 1. So I say 25 divided by 5?
5.
5. And then I got 25. And then I got 0. 0 remaining. Now the answer is?
C.
Letter C. So I
That's right.
give, Sarah give $15 to each of her friend. Where does she live? I want to be her friend because she's giving money, you know. That's something you usually don't do.
Oh,
But that's okay. You see?
Let's go.
The first one, and then that's the second. Remember, we do it manually here. The first thing you have to do is try to understand the word problem. Because most of the time the students don't understand the problem, and then that's where you can get the wrong answer. Here, let's do it like that, manually. Oh, sorry. Let me get the Oh, yeah, take the picture first.
Stony Ski, what's up, Stony? Let's go, everybody in the chat.
See the time, because we're gonna do some, but we need to go for reading. Okay? Now, you say letter?
C.
Ta-da! And there they explain to you. First, subtract 45, then divide, and blah, 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 blah. Good. Next. Now this one is for, okay, go with, ta-dam, 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 ta-dam. Okay, Marley, read number 4, please.
In a rectangle, what is the measure of each
Interior
interior
angle.
angle?
Okay, in a rectangle.
In a
Remember,
rectangle.
this is a rectangle here on television. When they say interior angle, because remember, they are outside angle, but we're not gonna work with outside angle now. We're gonna work with inside. So inside is here. Now, what is the measure of each interior angle?
90.
What is? Hey,
So you got
it's 90 degree?
90
Now let's take a
times
look at it.
4.
For example, they say rectangle,
Let
right?
me see if that's right.
Let me use the line
You
right
can
here,
say, you can say
so I
that.
can get something.
Wait.
Here, here, here. Yeah, that's a rectangle. Now, if I measure here, what is
45,
what is here?
42,
90 degree. Here, 90 degree.
40,
Here, 90 degree. And here, 90 degree.
39.
That's
38.
with rectangle. And what else?
I would say 360.
What else?
So
What else
90
can have 90,
times
90,
4.
90 inside? Look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling. Squares. Squares. Okay. Remember, also you can
I
have
put 90
90
times 4.
90, 90, 90. So it's not only rectangle. So letter A is the
Oh
the
shit.
answer. Okay. Now pay attention to the tile there. You see? You got 90, 90, 90. Now here also 90, 90. The door 90, 90. Everywhere you go is 90. And here too, look. 90,
Everywhere you
90.
go.
Everywhere you go, you're gonna see that. 90, 90, 90, 90. Okay.
Nice.
What about the paper? What about the paper? The angle is 90?
Yes.
Yeah. Also true? Okay. And what about this one? Is that 90? No. What is that?
Okay.
Uh-huh. And what is the name?
Okay.
Acute. Okay, acute. Okay, we got it there. Okay, do you remember that? Those are typical questions there. Now let me get the answer and then continue. I think that's it. We're gonna have time for this second. Let's see, letter. That's it. Rectangle, blah, 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 blah.
Press the like button.
What is another characteristic of a rectangle? Talking about the
First
perpendicular, parallel. What is another characteristic? How many pair of parallel lines do they have?
about 4. 4, right? It's
Okay.
a cube of 2s, 90 degrees.
But a rectangle, how many pair of parallel lines do they have?
Two.
Two. One on the top, one on the way down. Okay. Yep. Next. Next. Okay.
Well, that was a trick question.
This is for.
What is the
Let's see.
decimal equivalent of the
Aisha.
fraction?
Read the
3
question.
over
What is
5?
the decimal equivalent of the fraction 3 over 5?
3 over 5. What do you think it is?
Let me 3, 5,
3 over 5.
1,
If you don't have a calculator, that is going to be really, really difficult.
1.2.
Okay, because this is a division. What you can do? let's practice, okay? You say
What?
3, oh, sorry. Okay, 3 divided by 5. Immediately, you know that that's not possible, but
That's what I'm
if you
saying.
need a fraction, you need to do it. Okay, so can I say 5 divided by 3? No, you cannot say that. But if you
This
want to
one,
get a
I don't
fraction,
know about this one.
you need to do what then? You need to get up, because remember, what you're going to get is a decimal. Okay, so what do you say? 0, you put the 0 here, right? Remember, you put the 0 here, but also you have to put 0 point. That's the only way you can do it. Now,
I never heard of this.
5 divided by 30, what is?
6.
6, okay? So, then you put the 6 here, you set it there, and then you got 0.6. That's the only way you can get it. Now, if you have a calculator, go to your calculator. One moment, they're gonna give you the calculator. Here you can do that. For example, you are doing, and let it say, oh, at the end, or for the second part, use the calculator. You can come back and do it quickly. That's what I recommend. But in GED, that's not possible. The students, they have, they have told me that that's not possible. Once you advance, you cannot come back. You need to click something and continue. That's not possible. Okay, that's what they told me. So open your calculator there, and you do it. You say 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5, what is? 0.0. So that's it. Now don't forget, when we have a number that is bigger than the one, you know what I mean, it's smaller than the one that, for example, here we have, what is the name of this number?
30.
Numerator.
Okay.
Numerator. And this?
Denominator.
Denominator. Now, when the numerator is smaller than the denominator, okay, we say that's not possible. You're gonna get a decimal then. That's true. And you see the way you do it? You have to put 0 point, and then you put the 0 there on the top. That's the only way you can do it. Okay. But
I'm a
if you get a calculator, do it with the calculator. Now come back. Let's put the answer. If you need to, say, teacher, wait.
Everybody, listen.
You need to take a picture.
Everybody's out.
Now,
Past high
let's
school.
go back.
A lot of them didn't even go to college.
So what is the answer? A. Okay, and that's it.
I'm gonna do something really nice.
Yeah.
I'm probably working for pharmacy.
Oh, I like that one. You see, divided 3 by 5 result is right. You can think of it as 6 over 10. Yeah, that's better. But we don't have time for that. Now the last question.
That's what you
This
think.
is for. This is for.
Let that be. I'm with y'all.
Let's see. Musa is praying God. Not the question is not for me.
Listen,
Right.
I'm a bum.
Go ahead.
Oh, me?
No, you raise your hand.
I was
No, it's okay,
stretching.
it's okay.
Okay, which axis on a coordinate plane runs horizontally left to right?
Oh. Which axis on a coordinate plane runs horizontally left to right? What is the answer?
I would say D.
D. Y axis. The Y runs like that.
Oh, the X runs this way, right?
The X. So the
Negative.
answer is letter
C.
C. Yeah.
I got it mixed up because you know when you be dealing with the chart, you be saying
Yeah.
Y is at the top.
Now check it out. The X run like that, okay?
Okay,
And the Y run like that. So we call it. Remember here, side to side, and here up and down.
axis.
Now the origin,
X
nothing happened there
axis.
because the origin is here.
In the middle.
It doesn't move, okay?
And the quadrant.
Quadrant.
What's the quadrant?
That's a silly question because nothing. The question is not related to quadrant because you are moving. Or the question can come like this. Check it out. If I move right, okay. Okay, if I move to the right and then up, what quadrant is that? Do
That's
it with your
X.
hands.
That's
Yeah, the one. Remember,
positive.
try to have it like this. You say
Positive.
right.
No,
up.
negative
In the
to
first quadrant
positive.
immediately. Okay. Now quadrant one. Now let me give you another one. I go right and down. What quadrant is that? Right and down.
4.
The fourth quadrant. You see? What?
Oh yeah.
Now let's see another one. I go to the left and then down. What is that?
Negative.
Negative?
3. Yeah.
So the 3. You see, that's another way they
Negative,
ask
negative,
they give you the
negative.
question. If you move to the right and then to up, in which quadrant you are now? Immediately you know. Okay? The only thing you have to represent in your mind, or if you have a paper, draw it, and then you just do this. Oh, left and up. Oh, that's the second quadrant. The only thing you have to do is just imagine it or draw it, and you move side to side. Okay. Now we got that one. And that's okay. We need to go for reading. We're gonna do the reading now. But next class I'm gonna bring you the map with the point. You're gonna locate the. Let me write it now so I don't forget.
The points and the pairs, right?
Yeah. For example, what is the stadium? What is the cafeteria? No, you just move and you put the coordinate. Okay.
That's gonna be on the test too,
Yeah,
right?
but that's practical. That's the one. And the test.
I gotta get
you
used
do
to
something
that.
like that. You
Probably
do that-
one. They give you like 2 of them, right?
Hmm?
They probably give you like 2 of them on the test.
Yeah,
I don't know.
4. Depends the level. For level E, you get a little, not that much, maybe 1 or 2. For
Yeah.
letter M, you get like 6 or 7 related to the coordinate grade, like this. And for letter D, I think like 60 or 70% of the exam is about that, but more complicated because later when you go there, you're going to understand what I'm saying.
What's the score you
You
gotta?
are going to see a lot of formula that we use here. This is the basic only. If you don't understand this, you're going to have a lot of problems.
What's the number? You gotta pass the test. What's the score number?
Here, for the tape, there is no passing score. Here, no. For
No,
reading,
no, for the
you only have
GED.
accumulate point. For GED, it's 145. 145. So if you get 144, you have to take it again. If you get 145 or more, then you pass. Try to get a lot of points there. But the students tell me,
I gotta
"Oh,
show
my
you this
pass is
one.
okay."
I gotta show you
Oh,
this.
the more you get, if you're planning going to college, the more points you get, the better for you. Because sometimes they even give you credits for that.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's what I'm
let's
trying to
switch
get. I got
for reading.
I got my shit right here, son. So
Let me
what
put
I
this
see-
right here so I don't forget. I need to have 2 copies, one here and one in my house because now that we are going to be reviewing,
I
I need
had
to check
took
all
the
the
test.
topics. Let me tell you, there's a lot of topics.
I'm not gonna show you my score.
Now reading.
It says did not
Reading.
pass.
What is reading? Oh boy. I have it here. There it is.
Insane.
To
son.
think, that's the problem.
I
Come back.
got my transcripts
Sure.
from
Okay,
high
we
school.
finished the horses. We finished that. Now let's go to. Sure. Okay. I can give you just 2 pages.
I'm gonna put this shit in the frame.
2 pages. Okay, 2 pages and a half. So let me give you that. So you can work this. Let's do the first one. Okay. Now, how many students I got?
I did
1,
better.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I did
You
12.
see the black tape because I ripped it. I was
I know,
tight.
more than
I was
that.
like, man, fuck this bullshit. And I just ended up ripping it. And I was like, you know what? Why did I do that? Memorials High School. I passed like Charlotte, Brooklyn. This Francis passing shows improvement, has ability to do better, excessively absent, failed regents in jeopardy, should attend after school tutoring, excessively absent. Absent on test days, never recorded, shows a great deal of effort, I passed those ability. Even though this report card looks crazy, I'm gonna put this in a frame. I had this for years. It's still good.
This,
I don't,
I'm gonna give you
I
the
didn't
paper
get
right
no
now.
high school. I
You're
didn't
gonna
get,
read it, you're going to
science.
underline it, you're gonna do whatever
This
you
from
want.
Morris
Okay?
High School.
And you can continue with the question, okay? I see some students, they go directly to the question, they don't read.
Crazy, man.
That's not good, okay? Because you need to understand what you are doing. So, wait a minute. What did I put there? What did I put there? So, highlight it, underline it. So,
I'm gonna fix this up.
you are, coordinate clean. Musa, Kevin, Aisha, here. This is reading, you can take it home and practice, okay? This is for you.
Thank
This is for you too. This is for Marley. For you. Okay, so take
you.
like 5, 6,
We
7
should get
minutes.
the same count.
Here. There. Reading.
Nah, Daryl, don't label me today. Are we gonna have one? I think we got one. I wanna feel. I'm gonna start reading for y'all. I had to. That's what I'm gonna be doing every single day. Alright, so let me read to y'all. Let me read to you. Before you stock up on apples, think about this. Much of what you buy ends up in the trash. It's not because you haven't eaten an apple thrown away to the poor. It's because the apples go bad and then they are thrown away. Record a number of things you threw out from the fridge each week. Maybe it's leftovers you don't eat, or maybe it's old lettuce that turns brown. Perhaps it's cheese that has gone moldy. However it is, it amounts to a lot of what we produce. Americans throw away 1,500,000 tons of food each day. That is equal to about a pound of waste per person every day. In fact, 30% to 40% of our food ends up in the trash. You may think that people who eat healthier waste less, but the opposite is true. People who eat lots of fruits and veggies tend to be the biggest wasters. That's because those foods tend to go bad faster. They get thrown out quickly. Oh, you gotta listen to that. What's the problem with all this waste? For one thing, waste food is the waste of money. You could be using that money for something else. For another, that food could go. That food could be going to people in need. There is another problem with food waste. Much of it ends up in landfills. In fact, there is more food waste in landfills than anything else. The food rots away. But that creates another problem. As the food rots, it produces methane. This is a greenhouse gas. It helps make the earth warmer. There is yet another problem that food waste creates for the environment. All that wasted food amounts to 30 million acres of cropland waste. That's about the size of Pennsylvania. And to grow that waste, farmers use 2 billion tons of fertilizer, which can harm lakes and rivers, and they use 780 million pounds of pesticides. These can pollute the land and kill important insects along with the pests. Why do Americans waste so much food compared to other countries? Some say because Americans like their fruits and vegetables to look good. Those that aren't perfect don't sell. Then they are thrown out. It may also be because food is cheaper here than other places. People don't feel it's better or throwing it away. What's the solution? People need to know that environmental causes of food waste in stores and restaurants need to do more to prevent food waste. They also need to make sure that unsold food goes to people in need. That would solve at least some of the problems that food waste creates. thank you, y'all. Alright, what? Why is it a problem that food ends up in landfills? What is the problem that wasted food ends up in landfills? Let's go back. So what is the problem? There is another problem with waste food. Much of it ends up in landfill, and in fact, there's more food in landfill than anything else. The food rots away and creates another problem. After food rots away, it produces a greenhouse gas. So, why is it a problem that wasted food ends up in landfill? I'm gonna say it's A. That is the problem when it's rotting. Rotting food makes things food, okay. Look at the first picture. What else does it help you understand about the passage? A lot of lettuce is
Let's read it. Ah, let's read it. Here. Now, let's read the passage and answer question 1 through 4. Food waste. Okay. So the first paragraph, who wants to read it? You can raise your hand. First paragraph. Okay, there. Yeah, read it. Before.
Before you stock up on those apples, think about this. Most of what you buy ends up in the trash. It's not because you have eaten the apples and thrown away the core. It's because the apples go bad. And then they are thrown away. Recall the sum of things you throw out from the fridge
Preach.
each week. Maybe it's leftovers you don't eat. Or maybe it's old lettuce that turns brown.
Yeah.
Perhaps it's cheese that has gone moldy. Whatever it is, it amounts to one of what we produce.
Okay, you got it. Now remember, when you read the first paragraph, you're gonna have an idea of what is going on. Okay, the main idea. Okay. Now, and usually the title is going to tell you what is the topic. The topic is food waste. The food that you don't use. Okay, and then it's like get rotten. Now, number 2, another student. Raise your hand. Who's that? Go ahead. American.
Americans throw away 150,000 tons of food each day. This is about a pound of waste food passing. Every day we pass about 30% of 30% to 40% of our food ends up in the trash. okay, you may think that people who eat healthier, healthier waste less, but the opposite is true. People who eat a lot of fruits and these tends to be biggest waster.
Wasters?
Yeah. That is because those foods tend to go bad was they got thrown out easy.
Yeah, especially fruit and vegetable,
Why do
those
they
right.
waste
They get really bad quickly because, they need to be in temperature. Sometimes you put it in the fridge, it's a waste of time. Now, number three. Martin, go ahead.
What is the problem with all this waste? For one thing, waste food is waste money.
Yeah.
You could be using the money for something that food could be going to people in need.
Okay, now in this paragraph, what are they giving you? In this paragraph number 3.
D?
What are they giving you there?
Because
They say that there is a problem, but also,
there's a problem and solution, no?
yeah, they give you the solution immediately. What is the solution? They say,
You could
instead of buying a lot of stuff,
I'm
use
gonna
the
put
money for another thing. That's one.
and F.
Okay, in another,
Press the light button.
if you don't need that food, give it to people that need it. So they give you those two solutions there. Problem solution.
That's right.
Number 4, another student. Go.
How does the second picture
No,
support?
I think it's 4. No, it's not a question. We are reading.
Oh.
The-
Oh,
we're
sorry.
reading the paragraph. So go back.
Sorry. There is another problem with food waste. Much of it ends up in landfills.
Mhm.
In fact, there is more food waste in landfills than anything else.
Oh,
The food rots away, but that creates another problem. As the food rots, it produces methane,
yeah.
right?
Methane.
This is a greenhouse gas. It helps make Earth warmer.
Yeah, that's right. So you got the mercury. It smells really bad, Yeah, but that's true. When it goes into the atmosphere, then the the effect is the global warming. Okay. Now, number 5, another student. Raise your hand. Go ahead. Don't be shy. This is reading. And we need to read. Right, Musa?
Right?
Right?
Oh, yeah, let's go.
That's it. Number 5.
Yeah.
Another student. No, it's okay. I got a 1, you, 2. Let's see the other.
There is yet another problem that food waste creates for the environment. All
Mhm.
that waste food amounts of 30 million acres of cropland
Waste.
That's about the size of Pennsylvania and the growth of wasted food. Farmers use 2 billion tons of
Fertilizers.
fertilized, which can warm lakes and rivers.
Mhm.
And they also use 780 million tons of
Pesticide.
pesticides. This can pollute the land and kill important insects along with pets.
Oh, you see, that's another problem. Try to track all the problems they mentioned here. Because this is a problem solution reading. And they have a lot of problems that they describe here. Number 6. Raise your hand. Vale, go ahead.
Why do Americans waste so much food compared to other countries? Some say it's because Americans like their fruit and vegetables to look good. Those that are perfect don't sell. They are thrown out. It may also be because food is cheaper here than in other places. People don't feel as bad about throwing it away.
Yeah. And the last paragraph, number 7.
Read,
Go ahead.
read.
What's the solution? People need to know the environmental cost of food waste, and stores and restaurants need to do more to prevent food waste. They also need to make sure that unsold food goes to people in need. that would solve at least some of the problems that food waste creates.
Yeah, the problem is the logistics. You need transportation, people. At the end, it's not possible. Okay, let's say a letter crabs in water. Okay, it's water, and a strawberry from a stall going to landfill. Okay, you got the question. Now let's go to the questions. Okay, I know that you already have the answer there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. What number is that? It's a uniform. Page? No, you don't have the page. So I have the page. I have it here. It's 55. 55 and so on. So many questions they give you?
I took all the questions I can. Take a picture for
You can do that?
It's not allowed, but
It's not allowed,
because
right?
you pay for it, you can take it.
Yeah.
Some is not advertising.
And how many questions they give?
22.
22, okay.
But
But you can go tomorrow and do more practice, right?
It's coming, the result is coming.
And what is the,
Shout out
What's
to
going
everybody
on?
out there. I feel like blowing up right now.
But there's a lot of reading there, right?
It's-
Do they have a writing part there?
Yeah, it's the last question in the test.
Okay.
Oh, man.
But is it 22 now? But the real test is gonna be 48 question
Yeah, I think in the test,
because you have a three.
they divided like 2 part or 3 part, I don't
Yeah.
remember.
Yeah.
And then, like 75 for reading and 25 for writing. So keep, every day take it because some of the questions, they told me that you can see it there. Let's see your score.
Yeah, they sent it.
You don't
I'm
find it.
nervous.
Now let's see, number 1.
All on
Question number 1. Aisha, question number 1, read it.
real.
Why?
What is if a food brings up blood food end up in
Landfill. Why is that a problem? That the wasted food ends up in landfills. Okay, so you need like how many points? 4, 9 points. Next time you continue, because that's what they give you, and then keep going up, until you get like 150, 160, you see in the practice, or even more. That way you see, you can practice. And tomorrow you take it again, okay? Because I think you can go every day and take it. So every day practice. Okay.
Press the like
Maybe
button,
I'm gonna
y'all.
stop
Tune
with
up.
it.
Yeah, but they give you different questions.
Wow.
And it's for 1 month, so you can take those days and practice. You see.
Maybe let me see. I schedule the test if they have.
Are you gonna change it for later? Okay. You can do it. You can do it. If you want, change it for another day. You can feel more comfortable,
Because
So in your practice this month, you're gonna be really good at it. Okay. Now, Aisha, what is the answer for number 1? Letter? Okay, there are more food in land scale than anything else. The question is why? Why it is a problem that waste food ends up in landfill?
Oh, A.
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 The rotting food creates methane. And what is the problem with the methane?
Destroy the ozone layer?
It,
Destroy the ozone layer,
yeah, but
right? It makes the earth
the
hotter.
the major problem what is?
It makes the earth hotter.
Yeah, global warming. So the temperature rise. What animal produce methane? In big quantity because all people we produce, I mean, all animals and people produce methane. But there is one specifically that produces a lot of methane. You know which one?
Cars?
The cows. And they make poo-poo, that's methane. You can even poop with that. If you put all the poo-poo in one place and you close it, you put like a pipe, you have gas for cooking there. That's what some people do when they trying to survive in the nature. Okay, so keep eating cows. Okay, now let's see. Number 2. Let's go. Rosani. Read it, Rosani. Look at
Let's go.
picture.
Don't feed the trolls.
No, I think it's a feature.
Yeah, look at the first picture. Number 2.
How you understand about the body?
The passage. So look at the first picture. You see. And then they say, what else does it help you understand about the passage? And then you have A, B, C, D. A, a lot of lettuce is wasted. B, people eat a lot of lettuce. C, people use water to grow food. And D, a lot of water is used on waste food. So, what is the answer? Look at the picture. D, you see? Hey, that's true. A lot of water is used, but not on waste food. In food in general, because that's why you need water. That's the problem. So we got letter D. Number 3. Kevin, read it please.
3. What are 2 reasons why Americans waste more food than people in other countries?
Wow, and they have a lot of there. Do they ask you to they don't tell you to select all that apply, right? No, they don't say that.
Yeah, it said 2 reasons.
Letter?
B and F.
Let me see. Yeah, but here I think it's, let me see, that's number 3?
I got A and
Let me
F.
see.
I got C.
Okay. So, let's see number 1. Restaurant waste a lot of food in the U.S. They say that in the test?
No.
They don't mention that, so letter A is not possible. Americans don't like imperfect looking food?
No.
Yes, they say that.
Yeah.
Go here.
They said
Is there?
they like
Yeah, they
it.
say that.
Or they, if it don't look good, they throw it away.
Uh-huh.
Paragraph
Paragraph number?
6.
Number
6.
Okay.
And they say, some say it's because America like their fruit and vegetables to look good. That's one reason, but that's only for America. I think all around any country, people want to have, you know,
A nice looking fruit.
nice looking fruit and vegetable, right? Now let's see the other. Letter B, yes. Now let's go with the other. Let me see. But that's number 3. You say, right? Number 3. Now letter C. American grows more food than other country. They say that on the test. They don't say. If they don't say it, it's not. Don't say that one. Now, land in the U.S. is cheaper than in other countries. They say that?
No.
No.
Grown man.
No, letter E. People eat healthier in the U.S. than in most places. They say that? They say that? No, they don't say that. And if they say that, they have to say that people eat healthier in Japan, in China, and other countries, not here. Because here is one of the countries that people.
In paragraph 2, you know, then I
It's,
said,
you know.
okay, you may think that.
So, the last one. Food in America is cheaper than in most other countries, in other places. They say that. They say so it's B and F. BF.
Oh,
Best
that's what I
friend.
got too.
Hey, best friend. BF.
BF.
Now, number 4, Cecilia, read it. Number 4. Cecilia, come back. Before it was David, come back. Now it's Cecilia. Cecilia, number 4. How does?
How does the second picture support the output in the last paragraph?
Okay, how does the second picture? Now you see the second picture? Strawberry from a store going to a landfill. Okay, remember, landfill is basurero. Okay. Now, let's say, how does the second picture support the other point in the last paragraph? Now, let's check the last paragraph. What's the solution? People used to know environmental cost of food waste. They need to do that, right? And stores and restaurants need to do more to prevent food waste. They also need to make sure that unsold food goes to people in need that will solve at least some of the problem that food waste creates. Now, if you see the picture, those strawberries, they were in a store, and then later they throw it to the landfill. Now, what letter do you think connect the picture with what he's saying in the last paragraph?
B.
Letter?
B.
Okay. Letter?
B.
B.
B. It shows that strawberry go back quickly. I don't see the connection there, even though it's true.
C.
Remember, let's see C. It shows that landfill are full of strawberry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but that doesn't make sense neither. Give me another letter, please.
So that was
It's not that one.
It's A.
Hey.
Hey, it shows that store wastes a lot of food. Yeah, because that's what they say. When the restaurant in the store, they don't need the food. What do? Instead of giving it to the people,
They throw it away.
They throw it away, and then that's what he's saying. That's the solution. But they're not gonna do that. Sorry. You better go to the garbage and get it from there because they're not gonna do that. Okay. Some organizations do that. They can do that. Okay. Now, guys, let me tell you something before we go. Remember, I need to talk to my boss because next week we have the midterm. But there is a problem next week. Check it out. Let me show you. What is the problem? You can understand better.
Are we gonna do the midterms like
Hold on
on
for a
a
second.
paper or like?
Yeah, we give you the paper. I mean, there. Now, let me show you here. There you are. Let me show you the problem that I'm seeing. And I need to go on there and talk to her now. Or maybe write to her. Now look, today is 18, right? So we have 20 and 22. We can use those days for advance and review, cover, all those topics. But look at the problem we have for next week. We have Monday and Wednesday, no class. And then if we start the exam, then we gotta start right here, reading, and then on Monday, math. I don't have problem with that. You
Why we
see,
have class Monday
But
and
let-
Wednesday?
I don't know, I mean, there's Memorial Day and another thing, I don't know. My memory is not helping me now. That is Memorial Day, okay. Now, please, next class, I'm gonna tell you what is going on. Let me go down now and talk to her to see what is she going to do, okay? Because maybe she can accommodate, I don't have problem having it here. Any problem, I don't have problem. But, and I'm telling you that so you can start reviewing for the midterm. Remember, reading and math, okay? See you guys. Let me go quickly to her office. Talk to her. Oh, it was cold. Maybe here, outside. Out.
Yeah, here it's cold outside.
Outside. You see? Sizzling. Yeah. See you.
Thank you so much, Mr. G.
Hey,
Brushing up. Brushing up. I was gonna show you my transcript. This how much I had got.
Transcript from school?
Yeah, this was a long time ago, but this is the last time I took the test. This is bad, right?
Let me see. But here, that was for which one? For if you want, show
That
it
was
to
years ago, though.
I got it in 2021, not if that's the math. You have to get 500 to me.
500, yeah. If you want, show it
Yeah,
to
look.
Jennifer.
This was-
Jennifer usually work with that.
This was,
The passing score
what's the passing score?
at that time. Because now maybe it's different.
Now
But no, because if you take GED, it's gonna be 145. Okay.
145.
Yeah. Yeah.
When can I take
It's
the
this.
when can I take that test though?
You talk if you want to talk to Jennifer, because Jennifer my boss.
I'm gonna try taking it.
Talk to her to see what she can tell you. Okay, because usually I cannot tell you, what to do there. Only she can do that.
Right.
But you go and talk to her and you show her that, okay, because she knows a lot about it. She can tell you what is going on, and what you can do, you see.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. You better go, talk to her. That will be really helpful for you.
Exactly.
Yeah, you know, in this case, you need to talk to the people that
I
are
could do it.
in the office.
What's up,
Yeah.
y'all? We gonna make it happen. All right, Mr. G. Oh, you leave it too?
Oh, I mean, if you want, you can write to her. You can send her the picture, and you can talk to her.
Right.
See you, man.
All right. Thank you, man. I'm about to take the steps, and then get on. So today has been a very productive day, everyone. Shout out to everybody out there. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Yeah, school is important, y'all. Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I've been in the streets for a long time, and I said, fuck school, fuck school. Listen, I know there's at least 1 million people out there that be like, man, fuck school. Because y'all feel like the time already came and went, and you probably feel that you need a lot. You know what I mean? So you probably feel like you need a lot, but you really don't. Just take it upon yourself and fix it up. Fix life up. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of what we do, we just be like, yo, man, fuck that shit. It didn't work out, this and that. Oh, my fault, y'all. Oh, it didn't work out. Blah, blah, blah. You know, I feel the same way. Listen to me. I feel the same exact way. But at the same time, I'm glad that I actually put that stuff on pause, yo. I'm actually glad I put that on pause because I actually got everything else that I wanted to complete in my life. The only thing is this education thing. Like, I want to be.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I'm gonna check.
Let's just say a pharmacist. I might just do the pharmacist thing. You know what I mean? Like taking it easy and do it like that. Or just a whole bunch of other different things, you know what I'm saying? Something that's light. You know, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I don't know. I can't really explain nothing to y'all. I'm good. I feel good. As long as everybody out there feel good, I feel good. They got a lot of graduates coming out here speaking. That's what's up. That's what I gotta do, y'all. I'm gonna be out here soon. Look, they out here with the college, Columbia College. That's what it's about. And this is where they do their thing at. Over here. Columbia. You know? Listen. Always know this. Always understand this, y'all. Seriously. In this, not even in this world, in this in this thing we got going to call America. The way, listen, y'all, the way how people made it, it's not a good look. Nobody has respect for one another. Let's just keep that let's just keep that together. You know what I mean? I don't want nobody to ever think nah, this is not a unity. This is not a unity thing, man. I already know. Y'all get around certain people, and it's like, you're not running with self. You running with a crowd. You're not thinking for you. The only time, look, the only time you be able to think for yourself is when you about to crash out. That's the only time you're about to think for yourself. Otherwise than that, it ain't happening. And sometimes you might not even get a chance to think for yourself, depending on the various the various city. It's a various city. I'm out here making up words, but it depends on the severeness. Because you might think that you could, and it's not even like that. You know what I'm saying? But that's how it is, though. You gotta always remember that. That's how the world is. People just hate on others. It could be anything. Motherfucker know how to read, you hating. You see me with these weights right here, you hating. Especially when somebody be like, yo, what are those? See, I'm on live, so I can't turn people down. I could turn people down, but y'all gonna be looking at it like, well, this motherfucker John, he's rude or something like that. But guess what? The minute I be like, no, then it's a problem. That's why I don't do all this extra shit. Yeah, yo. So like, subscribe, share, comment, tune in, turn up. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, y'all. I appreciate it. You know, they have people that don't subscribe or do anything, and it's for free. So that's why I fucks with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I fucks with y'all because it comes down to it, like, you're a human being. You know what I'm saying? You're a human being. Cat, what are you talking about, Cat? What are you talking about, Cat? I need answers. I need answers, Cat. What do you mean? What do you mean, Cat? Cat want, you know what Cat really want? Cat wants somebody to make a whole fucking album. Cat you on bullshit, Cat. Thank you so much. Now, it's up to you to actually do something in the world. You can't be not doing nothing. Yo, you notice how I can't hear you. Oh, I can hear you now. So, like I was saying, Cat, you saying all of this, but my thing is this: what are you doing? When was the last time you gave somebody some money? Like, when was the last time you looked out for the homeless people? You know what I'm saying? It's always, listen, it's always the people that's not doing nothing with their life mad at everybody. You gotta pay attention. Why are you worried about how much videos I got? This is what I mean. Now, you worried about how much videos I got. Why you not worried about my check? You worried about a video? What about the check? I want you to be worried about my check. And then I want you to worry about your check. Don't worry about my... See, that's the problem right there that we having. Because I'm going to tell you right now. Now, the difference between me and you is this. When you get a check, you can't do shit with that shit. You really be mad. You really be mad. Like, yo, that's the part. Like, I'm not laughing at nobody, but here's the thing. Everybody is different. Meaning, if you look at one person, don't ever put me in the category with that person, because everybody's different. Everybody's different. Now, you know what's not funny? What's not funny is your check. Everybody get money, right? Listen, everybody get money. But here's the difference between me and you. I know when you look at that check, whatever. Listen, I'm not telling you not to work a 9 to 5. Work your 9 to 5. But I'm going to tell you this. My job and your job is two different things. Don't hate on my job when they paying me more than what you do. And what you do, nobody don't want to do what you do. That shit don't pay nothing. I want you to take out your check. Matter of fact, why don't you take your check out, rip it, and throw it away? Can you do that? I mean, I'm not telling you that that's good to do. Like, nobody will do that. But what I'm saying is, stop playing with people that's getting money. And everybody do not get money. That's another thing that you need to understand. Everybody does not get money. I don't give a f. This is the United States of America. Everybody does not get money. Right? We're gonna start it like that. Especially when you got something to say about, not even about me. Right? You motherfuckers can't talk about me. You can't. Now wait, I'm not taking offense of nothing. I'm just saying, like, everybody's not the same. I'm not the, like, you see how you be scrolling? After this, cool, man. I'm not. God made everybody different. Yeah, we might look the same and stuff like that, or sound the same, and talk, you know, but in all reality, only thing I'm concerned about is the album. Somebody took their like back. Don't come on my page, yo. Like, don't come on my page, hit the like button, and then take it back. Like, why the fuck you on my page? Like, y'all just be, you know what it is? That's like my cousin, right? I ain't hear from him in like 3 years. Funny is, you don't talk to me in real life, so it's like, why you even jumped on the phone? Because mind you, everybody be on their phones all day, every day. I know a nigga sit there and type up my name, be watching me, watching what I got going on. I bet you one thing, I'm more popular on the internet than all y'all motherfuckers. And then that's a problem. It's like, you can't do nothing to outdo nobody in this world without even trying. Like, come on, bro. Like, and then people call themselves trying to be on the same team. If you don't fuck with me in real life, you should have no reason to be going on the internet, typing up my name, trying to like watch me and look at me and all this other shit. That's how the world is. Like, people don't like people. Y'all gotta understand that. It don't matter where you at in the world. Like, you got, especially in the hood, motherfuckers don't like motherfuckers. Like, they don't even like the job that they work at. How they gonna like you? Think about that. Motherfuckers don't even like the job that they work at. That's paying them. So how they gonna like you? Hate people. It's just a bunch of people walking around hating each other. There's gonna be somebody that you bump into probably like an hour from now that you never seen before. Y'all can just look at each other and hate. That's why I don't even look at people. I don't even go. Crazy. Thank you, Stoney. It's like, yo, you know how some of these people, they need their reality check. Like, look, I'm chilling. I just came from my school. This is my first blunt of the day. I gotta go handle some stuff. I'm gonna take the kids out to the park, play some football. Then when they go in the house, they're gonna do non-stop reading. We're gonna do a non-stop reading program today, y'all. Like, starring me, Dr. Quiz. And my kids is gonna love that. And listen, if you got kids, I know I be saying a lot of stuff on the channel and stuff like that, but Dr. Quiz is definitely coming. To read to all the kids. You ever notice? I just noticed this too. With all the fucking mouths out here and the brain power and everything, right? We need to be reading to each other. We need to be like really buckling down with one another and just give knowledge instead of give nonsense. Instead of giving out negativity and stuff like that, be positive. Why is it so hard to do that? Listen, I understand. I grew up in this. I I want y'all to get ready for like a few projects coming. Remember, doing music, doing this rap shit, I know everybody love it, but it costs y'all. It costs to do shit that you love. I know. They really like, I don't know. I tried to tell y'all, like, but this is a good time for everybody to just reflect on what they're doing, reflect on what they love to do, and, make it happen. I appreciate it, y'all. Thank you. Don't feed the trolls out right now. Press the link. Thank you, y'all. Press the like button. Like, subscribe, share, comment. It's your boy, Dremica Store, Billions Entertainment. Making nothing but hits. Yo, so you gotta remember, making it happen and talking about it is two different things. That's why a lot of y'all gotta stop the discrediting. Cause there be a lot of stuff going on. Imagine trying to help somebody that discredits you and they really want help. See, some people don't know how to ask for help. They just rather go all the way down in a fucked up place in their mind, and it's like, what was all that call for? Thank you, DJ Simply. Thank you. It's very true. See, now, when it's about, when you be like, yo, how much work you got done? They can't never answer that question. Questions that go towards them, you're gonna get the, motherfuckers gotta think about it. People don't know what they want no more. I'd be like, wow. Yo, these beats is fire. Y'all gonna hear it on the next project. Sound official. Shout out to everybody out there. Yo, listen. You gotta do what you love. And, if you can't support others on your way up, you might as well just keep, you know what I'm saying? If you can't be a team player, a lot of people are let go by. People will watch you for years. And then when you jump shit off, then here they come out of nowhere. You probably be wondering, like, yo, where these people came from? It's not where they came from. They've been watching to try to get on, to try to, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it's what have you done all this time? You don't got nothing. This one person they talk about, they got like 1,200 subscribers or some shit like that. They talking about they want to do music and stuff like that. They don't got one song on their page. YouTube, nothing. They don't got nothing on their page. And got the nerve to try to want to do business. Nah. It don't work like that. It's a wonderful day. Drink some water, y'all. Make sure y'all drink water. It's very hot. I seen somebody faint. Stay out the heat. That's rule number one. Get you some water and stay out the heat. Or you could faint. Especially if you like salt and shit like that. I'm telling you. Because you're going to find yourself eating, have some salt, then when you get in the heat, all that stuff is going to rise. So you got to be careful. Drink some water. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, share, comment, tune in, turn up, y'all. Boys, Jermica Store, Billions Entertainment. Let's go! Yeah, y'all, so I'm trying to tell you, it does get a little bit hectic, but I want to just tell you out there, focus and, you know, do your thing. Because like I said, there's a lot of discrediting going on. People are really out of tune. You heard? People are really... So many people crashing out and stuff like that. Because they really out of tune. It's so funny how people really think that they in tune and then they just really out of tune. You know what I'm saying? Think about that. Or matter of fact, you might be in tune to the wrong thing.